this is Grace and welcome to my channel and welcome to process video 232, and this is entitled Yay for Birthday, and this is I believe my fifth layout using my July homemade kit. If you are new to my channel or it's been a while since you have taken or visited me here or watched any of my videos, I created a July homemade kit that is kind of more summer themed. There's a lot of bold colors, but there's also some muted pinks such as this pattern paper that you see here. And the goal was that I will create some layouts with this homemade kit, and this is my fifth one. The main idea was to create some summer layouts, but I'm ending up not creating a lot of summer layouts with this. And I'm also noticing that it has a lot of layouts that I'm creating that is for my daughter, which is very interesting. Like I said, I did not plan any of the pictures that I was going to document when I created this layout. I get inspirations from products and then I put together my own kit and then kind of go through my photos that way. That's kind of how I work. But anyways, the last what, 3-4 layouts has been about my daughter, and this one, I guess number 5, number 4, I can't remember, but anyways, this is her kind of birthday celebration. Her birthday fell on a weekday, and then we decided to go eat out on the Saturday after her birthday, and we had her choose which place she wants to eat at, and she decided to go to Freddy's. Freddy's is like Freddy's is a burger joint, and it has they have some good burgers. I mean, they're not the best burgers out there, but we like them. But our favorite part of Freddy's is their custard or soft serve, and so that's what we had here. We had our burger for dinner, and then burgers for dinner, and then we had our different kinds of custards that we like to order from them. So that's kind of our little celebration. And so this border strip that I am cutting out from, I believe this is the Heidi Swap one, and it just has these thick borders. I believe they're 1-inch one, but they fit perfectly into my banner punch, and so I'm just cutting up the different colors. So instead of you seeing the strips as is, you're actually seeing just the different colors of it, and I'm going to use that as a banner on the top because I feel like this layout is a little bit bottom heavy with all of the photos on the bottom, and so I needed something for the top, and because this is a celebration type of layout, I felt like a banner strip on the top is suited for the type of theme that I'm going for. That Yay paper was cut out from the cut apart sheet, as well as the flamingo and the ice cream cone. Felt like the ice cream cone fit really well with the theme of the layout because of all the custards that we had, and not sure if that flamingo is going to stay there, but I will put that there just kind of to fill in that space for right now. I'm going to complete my title. That would I'm spelling out for birthday here, and I'm just using some small stickers from this Creative Agenda sticker sheet from Echo Park. Yes, Echo Park. And then I am also adding a 3x4 paper here that has the today. It also has a date on there, and I'm not sure if I think I will be showing that the rest of that paper block in a little bit here. But I am using 5 photos. 4 of them are 3x4 vertical and then 1 horizontal of my daughter, and they fit perfectly in the space that I have. And I don't know if you noticed, but that dark blue cardstock that I'm using as a background, I actually gutted that because I wanted to use that paper as a mat for my photos for the previous process video, which is process 231. And so if you have not catched that, make sure that you check that out in my playlist in my YouTube channel. And then I decided to cut that ice cream there, and I'm going to see if I like the flamingo there, and I'm just not quite committed to the flamingo just yet. I was also considering doing the popsicle, but then ended up throwing that out as well. Now, some of the pattern papers that I had pulled out for this cut apart, or for this homemade kit rather, has those half sheet or half strip barcodes, and I used one of them here, and I am using that kind of to give a is division the right word, like to divide the block of papers to the rest of the pattern paper background. So I did ink up the edges of all of my elements, the pattern paper background, the strip, and the banners, and also this 3x4 card. And then I decided to adhere my title block with some fun foam, and I just use a fun foam. I get a lot of questions with this, so I have these glue dots that are just a whole 8.5 by 11 sheet. So basically they're a sheet with adhesive on both sides of them, and so I just lay that on a big sheet of fun foam, and then I cut them in smaller pieces so that they're manageable to add to my layout. So that's what I do. And that's kind of basically my foam adhesive there. Now, eventually when I run out of my fun foam in my stash, I will eventually start purchasing foam adhesive, foam dots, whatever it is. But for right now, it works, and I'm just glad that I'm able to use up my stash. And so I'm just adhering some items here. I'm adding a combination of stickers and a few kind of paper elements like this ice cream, and then I did add a cupcake there because I feel like cupcakes go well with birthday layouts. And then I think I'm going to add a few word stickers here, just to kind of fill in that space, and I'm going to call it good. I did pre-print my journaling already for this one, and I added that to the bottom of the layout. So one of the ways that I kind of feel like I can be efficient with my scrapbooking is pre-print my journaling. So I usually go back to either an Instagram post or a Facebook post, or sometimes when I don't have that, I go back to my journal, because I do have I do handwrite into a journal, or I just kind of go by memory, and I just type all of the journaling that I have on hand, or that I want to do, type that into a Word document, into their own little kind of text box, and then I print a bunch of them. I think the last time I printed a couple of sheets of journaling, and so that could include at least maybe, I don't know, 10 to 15 type of scrapbook journaling blocks that are ready to go. And so that's how I usually go about printing my journaling, so that when I do scrapbook, all of the important elements of my layout is there. The one thing though that I have yet to incorporate in my efficient scrapbooking process is adding my dates, because somehow I kind of am delayed with stamping my dates on my layout. But other than that, that's what I have found to work best for me. So these are the close-up shots. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye!